Hi, boys and girls and families. I wanted to show you a new way that you can get onto a reading site that the district has provided to us. It's called RAZ Kids. That's what I would refer to it as. It's also called Reading A to Z. So I want to show you two ways that you can get there. Actually, three ways that you can get there. One way is when you are on Edgenuity and you click on the language arts tile, you will see this new landing right here. So you will see your modules that you have to do, but you will also see this landing. Obviously, it says click the picture to go to the Kids A to Z reading site. My teacher username is mbeal4, and then your password is your CNUSD student ID. So when you click on this, it will take you to a new tab. Now, I do think just because I'm on my computer right now, it shows this, but you would type in mbeal4 right here and then click on go. Once that brings up my class, you will then find your name. Well, I have done a sample student just so that I can show you this. So I would click on my name sample. And then right here, you would put in your CNUSD 6-digit password, your username that we always have to use. I just did something for this student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you click on go. Okay, so again, that's your student ID that you use for CNUSD all the time. It starts with a 3. A lot of you have a 38 something something number. Then once you're in here, just make sure that's your name, right? Your name is not sample, but make sure it's your name. And then you have these different reading rooms. The level up room will have books that are right within your level. So depending on what level I placed you at, some of you will be an AA, some of you will be an A, some of you will be a B. It just kind of depended on how many sight words you knew. There are lots and lots of books in here that you can then read. So if you were to just click on one of these, if you listen to it being read to you, that's fine. You can read it on your own. And then at the end, you will take a quiz on it. So this is a great website that not only allows you to read, but it allows you to practice your comprehension by taking a quiz. And as you can see over here, you earn stars based on what you've done. If you listened, you get 10. If you read, you'll get 50. And then after you take your quiz, you would get 150. Now, if you are on the level AA, which most of my kindergartners are, you will not have the quiz portion to it until you level up to an A or B or a higher reading level. So again, as you can see, there are lots of things, lots of books in here that you can read. You would then click over here back to reading, and there's also just a reading room. And this has a lots of different books because look, you could even just do them by topics, lots of different ideas, poems and songs and so on. So you would want to look through here too to do some other reading. Again, very similar. You just click on it. You can listen to it be read to you. You can read it. There might even be a quiz depending on its level. Okay, but these books are also leveled for your reading level so that you are successful. And as you get better, I change your reading level and you can level up. Okay, so this is Reading A to Z, or what we also call RAZ Kids. As you collect stars, you would go here to your star zone. It's probably not going to show me much, but there's Avatar Builder, there's a RAZ Rocket, and then you can also donate your stars. If you earn lots of stars and you get up to 8,000 of them, if you use this button to donate, it is through UNICEF that RAZ Kids will donate a meal for those that are in need just by you reading and collecting your stars. So I think that's an awesome way to help our community out that way, but you could also use your stars in other ways, okay? So again, this is called RAZ Kids. I want everybody on here trying their best at their reading. Remember, these are at your reading level. So now I'm going to log out and I'm going to show you two other ways that you can get to RAZ Kids. Obviously, this is super easy. You go onto Edgenuity, you click right there, right? So that would make it very, very easy. The other ways you can do it is when you are, let's say you are at your My CNUSD. Again, this is my teacher side, but yours will look a little bit different. If you go to bookmarks, you can pull up lots of different apps, okay? These are bookmarks. So if you go to apps, you would look for this one. It's called Learning A to Z. Looks like that little robot guy. That will take you directly to the website through Clever. It still may ask you to log in. Again, this is my teacher version, so it may ask you to log in, but you can get to it this way through my CNUSD. And finally, another way that I have made it easy for you is if you click on our website and you go to Mrs. Beal. I also want to point out it's time again to sign up for assessments, so make sure you're doing that. But if you scroll down, you'll see our small groups, you'll see our sight word club. Here is where you can read on Epic, and here again is where you can click on RAZ Kids, and it will take you right again. Now again, this is pulling up mine just because I'm already logged in, but it would pull up yours as well once you get logging in, okay? So I want to make sure all of you are getting onto RAZ Kids reading. You can also choose to read on Epic, but RAZ Kids for sure, it has comprehension questions that really help our reading skills for all levels of reading. I hope you guys enjoy it. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.